Hey guys, how's it going? How to use match search filters. So to use match search filters effectively, follow these steps. First of all, determine what you're looking for, such as age, location, in interests, etc. Navigate to the search or filter section of the platform, e.g. dating site, job board, and input your criteria using available options like drop-down menus for categories, sidebars for ranges, e.g. age or distance, checkbox for specific interests or requirements. Click on the search or apply button to see the results that match your criteria. Adjust filters if the results aren't satisfactory, and reapply to narrow down. If applicable, save your search preferences for future use. By following these steps, you can effectively or efficiently narrow down the results to find what you want. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.